Video on pipe handling operation.
Types of pipe stacking for transportation. Two types of pipe stacking shapes are handled: one rectangular shape stacking and two pyramid shape stacking.
Equipments and tool stackers used for handling of pipes.
Crane used for loading and unloading of pipes.
80-ton or 50-ton capacity cranes must be used for handling of 12-meter long pipes. 23-ton, 50-ton or 80-ton capacity crane must be used for handling 6-meter long pipes.
Wire sling is used for rigging activities and fixing of the pipe clamp with the crane. Webbing sling is used for handling of bundled pipes below 200 mm there. Pipe clamp is used for clamping of above 200 mm dia pipes. D-shackle is used for rigging activity with wire sling. Guide rope is used for controlling safe movement of suspended load.
Pipe handling hook used for proper placement of the pipes on saddles.
Full body harness is used for fall protection during working at height. Retractable fall arrestor is used for fall arresting during working at height. Fall protection structure provides structural support for anchoring of fall arrestor and full body harness.
Before placing of trailer at unloading point, handling team must be conduct inspection of saddle, side support and stacking condition of materials for safe handling.
Placement of the trailer at the unloading point must be done safely.
Driver must apply gear, use hand brake, remove the key, safety belt and safely exit from the cabin. Apply Scotch block on both sides of wheels in the trailer.
The driver must wear full body harness for unleashing the chain.
Driver must use fall arresting system with platform ladder while performing unlashing activity in the trailer.
Before unloading of pipes, pipe stacking rack must be placed by handling team on designated place for roll-over protection. For 12-meter length pipe, 3 numbers of pipe racking stand, and for 6-meter length pipe, 2 numbers of pipe racking stand must be used. Pipe clamp must be used for safe loading and unloading, and guide rope must be used for controlling the movement of pipes.
Ensure the unloaded pipes has been stacked safely below 1.5 meter of height with the use of roll-over protection.
Driver must apply gear, use hand brake, remove the key, safety belt and safely exit from the cabin. Apply Scotch block on both sides of wheels in the trailer. Pre-inspection of trailer bed to be done by handling team.
8 numbers side support of length 1500 mm and 75 mm width made of ISMC and HRSC is mandatory requirement for pipe loading. Headboard must be present in the trailer for safe transportation of pipes.
Saddles must be present on the trailer bed for safe placement of pipes. Ensure safe storage of pipes before handling. Pipe clamp must be used for safe loading and unloading. Guide rope must be used for controlling the movement of suspended load. Movement under suspended load is strictly prohibited.
Placing of pipe is been done by pipe handling hook.
Fall arresting system must be used by driver during lashing activity. Before release of trailer from the loading point, for 6-meter long pipe to chain lashing, and for 12-meter long pipe 4 chain lashing must be confirmed by handling team. Thank you.